This is David Mann, Man About Town. I'm out and about at the Caravan Industry Victoria's members, and I'm at CARAC, and it's an amazing complex. It has got so many things here. And Ashley James, the owner, I know he looks young, but yes, his dad won't mind. We'll call his dad the chairman. Ashley, you and Tammy have set up a terrific business, and one of the staff said to me, it's all things for all people, but you actually specialise particular caravans, trailers, accessories.
Yeah, that's it, David. Try to cater for pretty much everything from parts and accessories, installations, through to repairs and maintenance, and basically all your servicing needs.
And open 7 days a week too.
Yeah, 7 days a week, so only closed a couple of days during the year, so it's, pretty much.
So I'll give you sort of a word picture. If somebody breaks down, they're on the boat ramp, the trailer's malfunction, they think, oh my goodness, Saturday afternoon, parts, I'm in trouble.
Yeah.
No, they're not, because CARAC will have it, and then can you also install it?
Yes, we can. It'd have to be booked into the workshop, but
Yep.
yeah, no, we'd happily sort of book them in and get it fixed for them. So yeah.
What are some of the unusual things that people ask for? They come to CARAC and go, have you got? And you go, as a matter of fact, we have.
That's a good question. That's putting on the spot.
Well, let's go for what's the most popular accessory then.
Probably brake parts and hubs and spare wheels and tyres for trailers and boat trailers and that sort of thing. Usually something's fallen apart or fallen off or something like that. So yeah.
And it's important, it's okay to say we all want to enjoy the outdoors and get out with our caravan or our motorhome or our boat and trailer, but it must be safe, mustn't it? Simple as that.
Exactly. Basically, they obviously need all the servicing sort of needs and requirements of a car, but people tend to sit them and forget about them, whereas the car, they sort of get serviced regularly. So can ring us anytime and talk about service intervals and that sort of thing. And yeah.
So it's not only supplying it, but it's definitely the servicing too.
Yeah, that's it. Yep. Yeah, for sure. So, yep. And we recommend sort of, 12 monthly or based on kilometres with vans and trailers and boat trailers. And
so what would the kilometres be roughly?
That's good question.
Good question. But let's say every year you should have it serviced.
10,000. Yeah, we generally say 10,000, but yeah,
10,000 Ks.
So, 10,000 Ks or annually sort of thing. So yeah.
How many years in business?
Since 1967. So I'm not capable of the maths there, but yeah.
And started by
my grandfather, Russell Smith. So yeah, back in the day. So
and your dad still works in the business?
Yeah, he still does about 3 half days a week. So we still see him from time to time. So
and I know I better mention the real boss. That's Tammy. That's your wife.
Yeah,
I met Tammy at the Leisure Fest staged by the Caravan Industry Victoria, and it was terrific. But the name meant so much. But now I've walked in. What's the square footage of the showroom here?
I did work it out recently for that time. I think
it's just big.
Yeah, it's big.
It's massive, big. and then the service area out the back.
Yeah, yep. So you got the service area and the hoist and all the other equipment we need there. So yeah,
and you're here most days?
Probably 5 or 6 days a week, depending on the need. So yeah.
Well, Ashley, to you, Ashley James and Tammy, and to Granddad who started it all, and certainly to your dad and your staff. You walk through the door here. There's always a big smile. People saying, can we help you through these difficult times, the sanitising of the hands, doing all the right things. Yep. But now is the time to think if you need an accessory. I'll just read some of the signs. It says awnings, maps, books, security, indoor living, trailer lights, let me just see, gas bottle holders, gas, table legs, washing machines, water tanks, portable fridges. It goes on and on and on, and the big names too. So you're very proud to represent a lot of the Australian-made material.
Yeah, definitely, and always sort of pride ourselves on the better brand and better quality stuff, and most of our customers want to buy the better quality product, to be honest. So so
Ashley James, well done, another very proud member of Caravan Industry Victoria.